Okay. So whenever the people are asking a question like what is a type of networks, and some people will get confused like a type of networks. So we have to tell about physical topologies or logical topologies, or maybe you have to tell about wires or Wi-Fi kind of network. You have to tell like that, so people will get confused. Okay, so whatever it is, guys. So when they, yeah, whenever you're trying to tell some answers, so in interviews, when you got a question, what is the thing got in your mind first? Tell that answer. Very simple, I'm telling. What are the answer you got into the mind? That is the correct answer. Tell that answer on. Don't confuse like is it a correct answer? Is maybe that answer or this answer like that? Don't no need to confuse. Tell simple. This is the answer. So that is what I'm trying to say. Okay. So here it is, type of networks are mainly based on a geographical area, geographical occupation of the network. So they divide the network into different types. LAN, CAN, MAN, WAN. Nowadays we got a PAN, HAN, home area network kind of stuff is also there. Personal area network, home area network, like that. So there is a certain area networks also there additionally, but that is not that's a secondary part of our network type only. HO, SOHO type of networks. Okay, so different type of networks also there, but very important is LAN, CAN, MAN, WAN is the main first for important things, and other things will be added later. Okay, home area network, personal area network, so they how you connected, how you configure a particular network part. Okay, like that we'll discuss. Here it is. First important one is LAN, local area network. Campus area network. Metropolitan area network. Wide area network. Okay, already I told what is a PAN means, personal area network. Yeah, SAN is not different, it is a common one, but not comes under area networks, but it is there. That's it. So because of storage area network. It is small home, sorry, small office, home office. So first of all, I want to explain LAN, CAN, WAN kind of stuff. Okay. So look at here, local area network. So what is a local area network? For example, I took a building. In the building, I have a floor. Okay. This is a particular floor is there. In that floor, I have a room. Because LAN is a small and as well as a big one. How much small, how much big one we can see. In my room, I have some computers are connected together and communicating together. Okay, so this is my a simple LAN. This is a LAN. Okay, this entirely LAN network. Or I connected this LAN to other networks in the different rooms. It means a single room with computers are connected, and we call that one as a LAN network. Or maybe in a single floor you are connected all the devices together, also called as LAN network. Or entire building you can also call as a single LAN network. Entire building is a single LAN network. So your LAN network geographically, how much small and big? From single room to single floor, or a multiple floors, or an entire building. So this is the simple LAN network. What is LAN? Local area network. Whether it is a single room, it can be a single room or a single entire single floor or a single building. Single room, single floor, single building. So entirely we can geographically say it is one LAN network. Simple, okay, LAN network. Okay. Other points I will add it later. So don't worry about it. Next, campus area network. What is a campus area network? I have a multiple buildings. I have a multiple buildings are there in my campus. Campus means university campus, college campus, um, work related like TCS campus. Okay, TCS like a multiple buildings, multiple department buildings are there, training sessions and all. Okay, Tech Mahindra campus, TCS campus, Cognizant campus, like different sectors are there, right? Or college, like if you take college or university, admin building is there, like a principal office, admin building, okay, and departments is like a ECE department, CSC department, and IT department, mechanical department, okay, civil department, science department, arts department, commerce department. Like this is some people are from different departments, right? So different departments, different type of buildings are there. For example, in a university, so each building is one single LAN network. For example, each building is a single LAN network. Next, you want to make a communication between these people. For example, ECA should communicate it to admin department. Everybody should communicate it to admin department, right? The principal or a administrative department must know about all other buildings, labs, work related work. For example, maybe ECE people need to communicate CSE people. Maybe civil people need to communicate CSE people. Maybe mechanical people required to communicate ECE people, right? So you want to make a communication from one building to another building. Okay, how it is possible? Put everybody together and create a simple and a single network. So that is called a campus area network. Each building individually a LAN network, but all buildings together it is a campus area network. Geographically, it's a campus area network. It means you have a buildings and you are making communication between each LAN of building together. So within the university, within the campus only communication is there, not outside of the campus. You are not communicating outside of the campus. You are communicating within the campus only. So that is called a campus area network. Campus area network. So what is a campus area network?
Multiple LAN networks connect interlink with each other at an
Very
admin
good.
store.
Connection of multiple
LAN networks
and networks within the campus only. Okay, not everywhere. Okay, within the campus, multiple LAN networks or LAN buildings. Okay. Okay, it is actually multiple buildings or a LAN network you can use anywhere in the campus only, within the campus only. So this is the campus area network. So so they can able to communicate each other. Can communicate each other. Communicate each other to or to communicate one. Okay. So LAN network building means it's a department, building departments. Anybody can use it. Next one is man network. Metropolitan. Metropolitan means cities, big cities. Like what are the metropolitan cities? Delhi, Kolkata,
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. You can add any list into that one.
Noida.
Hyderabad is not a metropolitan city, not at least metropolitan city. Only four metropolitan: Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai. Four metropolitan cities. But big cities, very big cities, like a cosmopolitan cities, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Okay, main cosmopolitan city types, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Of course, Pune is going to be next, which is now bigger than Mumbai now. Okay, maybe in a future Nagpur can be a bigger one. Vizag never expands, so no problem. Okay, like that. Okay, these are the cosmopolitans are different and metropolitans are different. Metro train is does not mean it is a metropolitan city. Okay. So usually like a metropolitan area networks, because usually these technologies from US background kind of stuff. So they have each city, they for them it is a metropolitan city or something. But you take a big cities now. Don't take only metropolitan things like MTNL, Metro Mahanagar Telecom Ligam Limited. Something is there, no? So like that, it is a MTNL type. But so point is, metropolitan cities are a very big cities. We can say different departments are there. For example, mayor office, city mayor, a corporator office, hospitals, are there, police stations are there, fire engineers are there, fire engine is there, R&D departments like road department, road highway kind of departments are there. So water department is there. Okay, finance related, like usually that is belongs to mayor office, admin department, like that it is there. So different departments in the city, like this is a police station, this is the fire department, and this is the um, law and order, like a court kind of stuff. Okay, maybe this is what is in water related department, road related department, like this. Different type of departments are there. So they need a communication between them. So mayor want to collect the information like a hospital related information, fire related information, police reports, courtroom reports, or maybe road related reports, water bill related reports they wanted. Maybe like there is a road accident. So road accident police must be go there. Road department must be go there. Hospital must be alerted. If required, fire department must be alerted, right? So a incident is happened, the incident report should be go to different places, and they can easily share the information along with them if you are connected the departments together. Okay, each department is simply we can say a LAN network. For example, it is a single LAN network. For example, this is another LAN network, another LAN network, another LAN network. This is another LAN network. This is another LAN network. Like this, different LAN networks are connected together and create a very big network. But within the city only, within the city only. So this type of model we call it as a MAN network. This type of model we call it as a MAN network, Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network. Okay, this is also connection of multiple LANs only. Within the Metropolitan or exactly say a city. Okay, when you say it is a city, okay. So this department city can communicate each other. Okay, so that is Metropolitan Area Network. Okay, last one is another one is WAN network. So out of 4, so 3 are completed: LAN, CAN, MAN. These 3 are simply say LAN means up to maximum one building, we call that one LAN. LAN extended, it is become CAN, but within the campus only. LAN extended, it become MAN within the city only. Now, the global network, for example, I have an office in our 70s, one office in New Jersey. Okay, another office in Exton, another office in India, Hyderabad, main IT office. In India, we have another 2-3 offices are there, but in Hyderabad we have a okay, Stone right.
Main branch.
We have a Hyderabad main IT department is there. Okay, so New Noida and Pune is the only training departments, but these are all entirely SAP based IT departments also there. Okay, so here it is there is a servers in my New Jersey corporate office and a servers in my Hyderabad office. They must communicate each other connection directly from different geographical locations. How it is possible? Through WAN network only, wide area network. What is WAN? Wide area network. Connection of multiple networks together, then only we can able to create a WAN network. Okay, what is this wide area network? It is nothing but a global network connecting multiple networks and form connecting multiple networks together become large network. Usually, wide area network means connecting or a globe. Connecting devices or offices. Okay, so devices can connecting device or a globe. We can say like that. So there are a lot of meanings are there. Usually WAN it means internet. Meaning is it's a public network. Private or public, so we should not use it. But WAN internet is it's a public network type. So networks of network. Exactly what is a wide area network? Exactly say it is a networks of network. Networks of network. Okay, so that is a WAN. So we are connected and connected. It is a global net connection. Okay, global network also we can call as a global net connection. So what is a global net connection? Is nothing but a your internet only. So through internet it is. So it's a public network. It means outside of your network like this. So of course there is a few more things we are having in a LAN WAN kind of stuff, but this is a very important. So LAN is more like a private network. LAN is a local area network, single room, single floor, single building, but it is a private network within the network. So that is a local network. If in case you got a question, what is the difference between LAN and WAN? LAN and WAN differences. It's a question is like LAN and WAN difference. What is the difference it is? Look at here.
It's a private and that's a public.
Yes, so LAN is like a private network within the network. Okay, it is wide network. It is a public network. It's like a internet type. Okay, LAN is a simple network. Is single room, single floor, or a single building size of the network. But WAN is a global network. The entire globe is a one single WAN network. We don't have a multiple WAN networks. We have a single WAN network. Is like a it's a networks of network. It's a very huge in size. The size is very huge. Okay.
Worldwide.
Worldwide, yes, right. Huge inside it is because it's a worldwide. That's why it is wide area network. Why it is a wide area network? Exactly, it is a wild means worldwide. Okay, worldwide network is there. That's why it is called a wide area network. Okay, the limitation is it's a local network, private network within the room or within the building. We can configure a LAN network, but WAN network is not like that. Okay, usually WAN network follows WAN protocols. Okay, this is another important point. So use a WAN protocols. What are the WAN protocols? Are PPP, point to point protocol type means PPP. Okay, I written a point to point topology kind of stuff like that. PPP protocol, HDLC protocols, protocol and MPLS. Okay, these are the main protocols we use for a WAN communication, guys. On reality, LAN does not mean small, WAN does not mean bigger. Okay, if there is a two networks are connected and communicating, and how they're communicating, so based on that we can say LAN or a WAN communication. Okay, see, look at this is my network, a simple LAN network. Okay, so these are my devices are connected here. These are my devices are connected to a switch and it is become a simple LAN network. It is a simple LAN network and it is my private network. I want to communicate outside of my network. I want to communicate outside of my network through internet. So I need a few more things. Okay, like this. So what is this diagram? I will tell. See, the LAN is connected to a router, and of course, the router is connected to a modem, and modem is connected to your exchange. Exchange means service providers. Sometimes both are will be clubbed together and become a one single device is also there. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, here it is. Okay. So look at here. This is my router and this is my modem. Sometimes the devices club together and become a single device, modem plus router kind of stuff. Anyway, it connected to service provider and I'm getting internet to my LAN connection. Okay, so this is my LAN. It is a private network. I want to connect it to WAN connectivity for a internet purpose. I have to connect like this. So this is my internal connection.
So what is the difference between router and modem?
Router and modem. Router only to make a communication between two logical networks. Modem actually connected to your ISP provider or a distance routers. Like packet should be travel to longer distance and reach the distance like that, or maybe encoding with a different code. So then for authentication and connection will be there for a modem purpose. I will discuss uh, in a devices. Okay. So here it is. This is how it is. Network is there. Again, we have to go to this connection. But meantime, so guys, look at here. LAN is LAN and WAN. Generally, we discuss based on the size, right? LAN, WAN, CAN kind of stuff. Okay, so generally we discuss based on the geographical size of the network. But actually, that is only textbook part. But actually, this is a single LAN, and I have another LAN network is there. I have another LAN network is there. Okay, this is another LAN. That is enough. If both are in a single room or a separate room, whatever it is. Okay, if I connect this LAN to this LAN directly, this is called a LAN only. One LAN is directly connected to another LAN. It is simply LAN only. Remember, if you don't understand, no problem. So don't worry about it, but try to get it. So if you connect a LAN to LAN directly with a wire, it is a LAN only, so no differences. I use the routers connect these LANs because logically there are different in network. So physically and logically both LANs are different networks. So I use a router to make a communication between this LAN and that LAN by connecting a simple LAN net connectivity. The router and router is connected. Direct connection means like a RJ45 connection means normal connection only we configure. Okay, just like how you connect a wires LAN network like this. Okay, but I use a router because they are using a different IP address kind of stuff. IP networks are different from this LAN 1 to LAN 1, LAN 2. LAN 1, LAN 2 not only physically separated, also logically separated. I will tell what is logically separated. Okay, so this is one LAN, this is another LAN. Both are separate LAN. I'm connected these LANs together with the help of routers, and that router is also directly connected. And I didn't use any extra protocol. I use simply a LAN routing technique and make a communication between. I use a simple LAN routing technique and I make a communication. This is also LAN only. This type of network is also LAN only. But what is the WAN? Here it is. Look at this one. If I connect these routers or devices, so usually routers. Using a serial connection, it is a tradition to connect a serial connection, or if you don't connect with a serial or directly connected. But I implemented a WAN protocol and I told how to connect those two things. I implemented a WAN protocol. So I use a WAN protocol to make connect between these two networks. So I want to connect these two networks together with the help of WAN communication, WAN protocols. So that is called a WAN network. It is not required to be in a two different geographical location. I can connect to my next room network with the WAN protocols. If I connect a 10 system to 10 systems with the WAN protocols, that is called a WAN network only. WAN network only. So you have a router. Okay, you have a router and both are connected, either direct connection or a serial connection, whatever the connection you make it. But important thing is you implemented a WAN protocol to connect these two networks. So that is a WAN network. That is a WAN network. So WAN network use WAN protocols to connect other devices. It's a global network. Generally, it is geographically say it is a global network. So two different area networks can communicate each other through this global network. Nowadays, we are using a internet. It is basically a WAN network. Within your home network, that is called a LAN network. Okay, it is a private network. It is the LAN network communication with up to certain level only. But WAN is wide area network. So that's the difference between LAN, MAN, WAN kind of stuff. So 1 second, I have to check it something. Where I stored this one. So last time I used it, but where did I kept it? Anything I am missing? Okay, PAN network, personal area network, guys. So what is a PAN network? I will tell. Personal area network. But main important networks are for only. But this is how people are nowadays asking questions. That's why I'm telling this one. Personal area network. What is the personal area network? Like a connecting your personal devices. Okay, like a mobile phone, laptop, Alexa type, Alexa, Google Home. What is this? Your personal assistance type. Personal assistance devices, Alexa, Google Home, or Alexa dot kind of stuff. Google Home or a Google Next. Okay, so these are all your personal devices. You can connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You can able to connect it. So mobile phones, laptops, PCs. Main important is TVs. TVs we are able to connect it. Music systems. Nowadays we have a Bluetooth connectivity things right now. No, in a car also we have a Bluetooth calling functions also coming, right? So what is that one? The call assistants or speaker kind of stuff. Music systems, speakers, Bluetooth speakers or Wi-Fi speakers, music system, TVs, Wi-Fi projectors. So these are all comes under personal area network. Also home area network, like entire home automation is home area network is also there. Home automation, entire home, you are connecting the devices like smart lights, Wi-Fi, LEDs. Lights are there, so you can easily turn on off lights. Wi-Fi smart plugs. Lights means it's a smart lights. Next, smart lights, smart plugs. Smart plugs also there in the market. So this is the simple. I will tell this one in a next part because here it is requirement to connect a form a network and all. We'll discuss in the afternoon. Okay. So what are we discussed today is very simple. What is network? Morning what we discussed. What is network? Networking and internetwork or internetworking. Okay. Next one we discussed about physical topologies. We discussed it. What happened? Physical topologies we discussed it, and types of network we discussed today. Okay, so physical topologies like a bus topology, ring topology, ring topology, mesh topology, star topology, hybrid topology, P2P topology, like that also we discussed it. Type of networks, LAN, CAN, WAN, MAN topologies also we discussed it. That's it, guys. So be back at again 2:30 start login. Okay, and I will start by 2:45. Means login from 2:30 to 2:45. So I will start after 2:45. Okay, at least I will start by 3 o'clock. 3 to 6 maximum. I will see, or maybe 6:30 sometimes based on the time limitation. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
2:30 same link only. Link won't change.
Okay, sir.